Hey everyone, it's Volga here and I'm so glad you joined me today. I've got something really special to share, my year's result Notion template. It's designed to help you look back on 2024, celebrate everything you've accomplished and start planning for an even better 2025. Now I know, looking back at an entire year can be a bit overwhelming, but trust me, this template makes it fun, meaningful and even something you can enjoy with friends and family. Imagine being able to share your reflections and see how others experience this year. It's pretty magical. I've been using this system for 2 years now, and I find it's not only super stressful, but also so visually engaging. Alright, let's kick things off with the form section. This is where the real magic happens. The form connects seamlessly to the database in the template. Share it with your friends and family. Let them fill out and watch their response comment automatically. It's like a shared yearbook, full of stories and memories. Plus, adding photo makes it even more special. Trust me, you'll love it. So what's inside the form? There are questions designed to help you reflect on different aspects of your year. They are simple but powerful. Let's take a look at how my friend Anna might fill these out to give you an idea. Did you achieve most of the goals you set for this year? Yes. Did you learn something new, like a skill, hobby, or perspective that made an impact on your year? Yes. Did you find a good balance between work, personal life, and rest? Yes. Did you step outside your comfort zone or try something exhausting and new? No. Did you have a moment or event this year that you never forget? Yes. Did you prioritize your well-being, both physically and mentally? No. Did you build stronger connection with family or friends this year? Yes. Did you dedicate time to activities or hobbies that truly bring you joy? Yes. What are 3 words to decide the past year and why? Productivity, drawing, traveling. Add some memorable photos for this year to capture your favorite moments. Click Submit and watch as your answers appear in the database, alongside everyone else's reflections. The Database 2024 early results has 3 views: gallery, table, and form. Personally, I love the gallery view for a visual stroll through for achievements and memories. You can open each person's page to see the answers and photos. Next, we'll see in more detail how our year went according to the main points. Plans for the year 2024. Take a look at the goals you'll set for this year and see how far you've come. Move them into the completed column when you active them. And don't worry if some goals aren't quite done yet. You still have time. Plans for the year 2025. If there are any plans or goals that you haven't completed in 2024, you can move them to this section and come up with a new objective for the next year. Major achievements this year. Time to shine a spotlight on your biggest wins. Use the gallery views to add photos and really remember those moments. Emotional events. This section is all about moments that touch your heart. Whether it was a big life change or just a small special day, write it down and add a photo for the extra touch. Interesting work experience. Record your standard work moments, projects, promotions, workshops, anything that made 2024 memorable for you. Health check. Reflect on your physical and mental health with positive and negative health cards. Let's hope your positive outnumber the negatives. What happened each month? This is perfect for a monthly recap. Highlight the best moments and trips for each month, and mark sure to revisit your photos. There is something so nostalgic about it. To add a new memory, click on the plus new page. Write a title, choose a month, and mark if it was a trip. I didn't include an exact date so you can focus on your memories without stressing over when exactly things happened. But if you prefer, you can always add specific dates too. Travel this year. This section automatically gathers all your trips in one place using a filtered view of your monthly events database. It's like a little travel album showing all the adventures you had this year at a glance. To add a bit of holiday cheer, I've included Christmas images that will set the perfect festive mood. A cozy Christmas radio playlist that you can play while filling out your reflections. Grab your favorite drink, put on the music and just enjoy the moment. Trust me, filling out this template should feel like a celebration, not a haul. So make it your own, have fun with it and share the joy with those you care about. I've included my form down below. If you'd like, you can fill out and share how your year went with me. I would be great to see your reflections and I like to share this moment with you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button or give a thumbs up. It really helps get this video to more people. I appreciate each and every one of you and being here. Wishing you a magical holiday season, a Merry Christmas and a wonderful end to your year. Take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!